So recently I created this app for shopkeepers, and this app allows you to add different kinds of inventories and track their selling history. Let me add here for example. Let's call it clothes. So here you can see it's been added. So inside these inventories, you can add your products according to your needs. For example, let me add one product here. So you have to provide information about the product. For example, the quantity you want to add, or the unit value, or the cost price or selling price. You can also add a picture of the product. For example, let me add one. So here I have added the product. As you can see, there are 10 wheat packets, and if anyone buys it, I will reduce it from here, and if it again comes in stock, I could add it from here. Let's add few more products. I have added rice, for example, and if someone buys it, I will reduce it from here again, and if it again comes in stock, I could increase it from here. So here one more feature comes, which is tracking the history of the sales, which you can see by just clicking on the product. It gives you a proper graph of the sale that you can track from here. The graph is also zoomable. You can also see total quantity, total profit or investment or your revenue on this particular product. There are different graphs for different products. As you can see the statistics of rice. In the bottom there are additional insights, which includes average selling price, highest investment rate or profit margin. Let's say you want to know the stock of the product. You can click on this sound button in the top bar, and it will announce the quantity of the product or the stock of the product in your selected language.
There are 9 wheat left. There are 20 rice left.
Also you can select other languages. For example, let me select Hindi.
Wheat के 9 शेष है, rice के 20 शेष है.
As you can see, it is announcing in Hindi now. Okay, let's say you don't want to go through all the list of the product and you want to know the quantity or the stock of a particular product. You can ask the assistant for that, which is this floating button. As you can see, you just have to click it and ask. You just have to say the name of the product and it will announce you in Hindi. Let's say I will say rice, and let's say what it answers. Rice.
20 rice बचे हैं.
As you can see, it is saying 20 rice bache hain. And if I want to know the quantity of the product in English, I could ask in English also. How much rice is remaining?
You have 20 units of rice remaining.
As you can see, it answered in English. Let's try few more products. For example, I have an apple in the fruit section. I could ask apple. Apple.
53 apple बचे हैं.
As you can see, it is announcing the stock of the product. So the next part is the statistics of the whole shop, you can say, by sliding towards right. It gives you insight about the whole profit you have made, or the revenue you have made, or what amount of money you have invested in the shop. It also shows you the top 5 most sold products or top 5 most profitable products. So the next portion includes chatting portion, where you can register in the application and chat with other people or wholesalers. So as you can see, here you can search through username after registering. For example, let's say I have one more account which has been registered. The username is users46, I guess. Here it shows. I could message him from here. and it just works like a chatting app. So let me log with this account and show you if I have received the message or not. So as you can see, I have received the message from user 48. So this was the overall video. Thank you.